Good day everyone. Today we have an activity about the C program. So our question for today is to write a C program to check whether the triangle is equilateral, isosceles, or scalene triangle. So for equilateral triangle, it has the equal sides. The isosceles, it has only the both sides are equal. And then for the scalene, the all sides are not equal. So first, you open DOS box in your desktop, then the mount D colon, then D colon slash, and then the D colon, the CDTC, and then the TC. So let's start. The hashtag include stdio.h. This means to include the standard input-output library. Next line, the int main, the open and close parentheses, and then the curly brackets. We're using the int because it is integers. So curly brackets, when using open curly brace or brackets, it must be always be followed by a closing curly brace. The next line, the float, the side 1 comma, the side 2 comma, and then the side 3, and then the semicolon. It is to declare the variables for the lengths of the triangle sides. We will be using float, because some sides might have decimals. That's why float. And then CLR, SCR, open and close parentheses, then the semicolon. It is used to clear the screen in MS-DOS box before executing a new program, and this is only optional. So next, you must input the lengths of the triangle sides. Then the printf, open parentheses, the quotation, then enter the lengths of the three sides of the triangle. The colon, the backslash n, and then the quotation, the closed parentheses, and the semicolon. This is to prompt the user for input. Next, printf, open parentheses, quotation, side 1. Ask for the first side, no? That's why side 1, colon, quotation, close parentheses, semicolon. Next slide, scan F, open parentheses, quotation, the modulus F, because we're using float, quotation, the end side 1, the close parentheses, and the semicolon. This is to ask, this is to read the first side length of the user input. And then the printf, the same process, no? So printf, open parentheses, side 2, colon, quotation, close parentheses, semicolon. Scan F, open parentheses, quotation, modulus F, quotation, comma, and side 2. Printf, open parentheses, quotation, side 3, colon, quotation, close parentheses, semicolon. And then scan F, close parentheses, quotation, modulus F, quotation, comma, and then side 3. So next line, where you have to check the check for valid triangle. Then if this is for the condition, no, whether it is true or false. So if open parentheses, side 1 is greater than equal to 0, or side 2 greater than equal to 0, or side 3 greater than equal to 0, and then close parentheses, and then the curly brackets. This is to validate that all sides are positive. And then the printf, open parentheses, the quotation, length of the sides must be positive. and then the dot, backslash n, then the quotation, close parenthesis, and the semicolon. This is to error message from non-positive lengths. The next slide is to get open close parenthesis and then semicolon. This is to de-exit the program with non-zero status, and then the close curly brackets. So the next slide, we have determine the type of the triangle, no? So if under the condition, the open parenthesis, the side 1 is equals to side 2, and in the end, and ampersand, side 2 is equals to side 3. And then the close parenthesis, the curly brackets. This is to check if all sides are equal. The next slide is we have the printf. The open parenthesis quotation, the triangle is equilateral. The equal sides or the equal sides. And that backslash n, it means to have a new slide. And then the quotation, close parenthesis, and then semicolon. This is to the output of the equilateral triangle. Again, the close curly brace, then else if open parenthesis side 1 is equals to side 2, or side 2 is equal to side 3, or side 1 is equals to side 3, close parenthesis, and then the open curly brackets. This is to check if any two sides are equal. So printf, next slide, printf, open parenthesis, quotation, the triangle is isosceles, that appeared, backslash n, quotation, close parenthesis, semicolon, and then the output for isosceles triangle, close curly brackets, then else, then close curly brackets, else, then open curly brackets. This is to if no sides are equal. Printf, open parenthesis, then the quotation, the triangle is Scalene, that backslash n, quotation, parenthesis, then the semicolon, output for Scalene triangle, then the curly brackets, brace, and then the getch, open and close parenthesis, the semicolon, getch to indicate that the program finished successfully. And then lastly, we have the closed curly bracket. And then lastly, we have the closed curly brackets.